Okay, so hopefully you understood that double nutting. One single nut here to hold this, and then after we install the toilet, then another nut up here. So that would be called double nutting. Okay, so now we're to the next step, and it told us to put this down first, and we got the rubber foam on there, right? Like that. And that's gonna set down there like so. I'm gonna look at that and see that looks fine. Okay. And then it said to put this. So we can just put that right like that. Okay. There's our wax ring set up. Right like that. That's all we have to do as per the directions. Remember they said if this was flush, that was flush. And I mean, it's sticking up like a 1/16 of an inch, but it's flush over here. It's about a 1/16 inch up over there. It's pretty much flat. And so you read the directions again, even width or up to a 1/4 inch below the floor. Proceed to step 5B. 5B says put the spacer and then put the seal, and that's what we've done. Okay, so now all we got to do is set the toilet on there now. Man, all that explaining, I could have had this toilet done by now. And see, that's all you have to do. And the beauty is, once you set your toilet up on there, the thing is, I can set the toilet on there, and then if it's not perfect, I can jostle it around, and I've got the lines right here, and I can kind of move it around where I want it. And it's not going to affect my wax ring because this is waxless. That's what's called a waxless ring, okay? This right here, it seems like it's up a little high, but I don't think it is. Your wax, you know, if the Herkel flange sometimes is sticking up maybe 3/8 inch or maybe even higher than that, and then the wax ring, I think that's going to be fine. We'll soon find out, won't we? But now I've got to set that up there. That's why this is the time where I've got to be careful. I've got to do this right. I'm here by myself. I have to do it. I don't have any help with me. Can I do it? I want to be able to do it because I got to show you, if I can do it, you can do it. The best thing is, if you have a friend to help you with this, I would recommend it.